The Fed is releasing its Beige Book. It just did so moments ago. Our Megan Cassella is in D.C. and been digging through it. Megan, what can you tell us?
Hey, Don, this was a Beige Book really centering on tariffs and uncertainty, which shouldn't be surprising. A few headlines to bring you guys here. The Fed says economic activity has declined slightly, they say, since the previous report. They say half of the districts reported slight to moderate declines in activity. They say all districts reported elevated levels of economic and policy uncertainty, and that has led to hesitancy and a cautious approach to business and to household decisions. They also say manufacturing activity declined slightly overall, and on balance, they say here the outlook was, quote, slightly pessimistic and uncertain. They say that's unchanged relative to the previous report. A few districts said that their outlook deteriorated, while others said that it had improved. Now, on the jobs front, unemployment, they called that little changed, said most districts described employment as flat since the last report, but that comments about uncertainty delaying hiring were widespread. On the inflation front, a little bit worse here. They said prices have increased at a moderate pace since the previous report, and that there were widespread reports of contacts expecting their costs and prices to rise at a faster rate going forward. So overall here, guys, we did a quick search. We found 112 mentions of tariffs in this report, 69 mentions of uncertainty. So it gives you a sense of the theme there. On the prices, one other piece of Fed news today. The New York Fed was out with a survey this morning showing that 3/4 of businesses surveyed passed at least some of the additional costs due to tariffs directly onto consumers. About a quarter of manufacturers, you can see on the left, said they swallowed the cost. But then on the right side here, you can see a third of manufacturers and nearly half in the services sector passed 100% of the cost onto consumers. So, Dom, we've been looking for data on this front. So far, it's just been anecdotal reports about prices increasing. But now you can see, at least in the survey data, that businesses have been following through.